Hey there, welcome to Factical. Today we will talk about physical method of sterilization. So, sterilization means complete destruction of all microbes. Like we can remove the bacteria, vegetative form, spore form, or we can kill it. So, just we have to completely get rid of it. There are four subclassification of physical method, like how physically we can remove the bacteria or we can sterilize it by applying heat or by giving sunlight, by applying vibration, or we can filter out the bacteria or microbe which is present on our material. So these four are the some physical method. And filtration is subclassified into four: earthenwares, asbestos, sintered glasses, and membrane filtration. These are some mechanical method of sterilization. Then moving towards vibration. So vibration has some properties to disrupt the cell, and later on it can kill or denature its protein, and we have used ultrasonic vibration. Then sunlight. Sunlight is a powerful germicide, and the sunlight we have used it UV rays. Then heat. Heat is very important. In the last two question paper of 1920 and 1819, the mostly asked question is dry heat sterilization and moist heat sterilization. So just give it some importance. Then dry heat sterilization. Uh, for it, dry heat sterilization needs more time and more exposure time than moist heat sterilization. It's a longer process, and it is also subclassified into three forms: red heat flaming, incineration, and hot air oven. रेड हीट इन फ्लेमिंग इस वर्ड से हमें पता चल रहा है लाइक वी हैव टू गिव सम हीट until it becomes red hot. जब तक वो red hot नहीं हो जाएगा तब तक हमें heat देनी है. Like spatula or inculation loop, these are sterilized by these methods. Then incineration means combustion of organic material in it waste material. Then hot air oven. We have two hot air oven: forced air hot air oven and static air hot air oven. We require temperature from 50 degree Celsius to 300 degree Celsius. And hot air oven is an electrical device. उसमें thermostat present होता है, means we can control the temperature whenever we want. And the normal or recommended temperature for sterilization in hot air oven is 200 degree Celsius for 2 hours. Then moist heat sterilization. In moist heat sterilization, we require temperature of 121 degrees Celsius to 134 degrees Celsius. So it is less than dry heat sterilization, and it is also quick process. In moist heat sterilization, we have three conditions, like at temperature below 100 degrees Celsius, at temperature 100 degrees Celsius, and at temperature above 100 degrees Celsius. So in these three, we have also subclassified it. Like below 100 degrees Celsius, what we have taken is pasteurization, वैक्सीन बाथ, सीरम बाथ एंड इंसिपेशन. पास्चराइजेशन क्या होता है? इट इज़ डिस्कवर्ड बाय लुइस पास्चर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. देन पास्चराइजेशन में हम टू मेथड्स होते हैं, लाइक होल्डर मेथड एंड फ्लैश मेथड. होल्डर्स मेथड में हम क्या करते हैं? वी हीट सब्सटेंस एट 60 डिग्री सेल्सियस फॉर 30 मिनट एंड देन इंस्टेंटली कूल्ड एट 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस. And in flash method, we have heated at 72 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 seconds and then cooled at 13 degrees Celsius. Pasteurization is basically used in food industry. Then vaccine bath. Vaccine bath is used to sterilize some vaccine. Serum bath. The serum. In serum, the spore does not kill, but in incipation, spores kill. एंड इंसिपेशन का जो रिकमेंडेड टेम्परेचर और टाइम है वो है 50 मिनट्स एट 85 डिग्री सेल्सियस. इंसिपेशन में क्या होता है? एग एंड सीरम कंटेनिंग मीडिया को हम स्टेरिलाइज करते हैं. देन एट टेम्परेचर 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे एक तो बॉइलिंग ऑफ वाटर होता है और दूसरा होता है टेंडराइजेशन इफेक्ट. देन नेक्स्ट इज एट टेम्परेचर अबव 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अबव 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे क्या होता है? ऑटोक्लेव करते हैं. ऑटोक्लेव को हम स्टीम अंडर प्रेशर भी बोलते हैं. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज स्टीम अंडर प्रेशर. ऑटोक्लेव की तीन कंडीशन होती है. बेसिकली इट रिक्वायर्स हाई प्रेशर. हाई प्रेशर कितना? 103.5 पास्कल्स. और यूनिट के साथ इसे याद करा, मीन्स 103.5 PA. PA मीन्स पास्कल. एंड ड्यूरेशन इज 15 to 20 minutes एंड टेम्परेचर इज ऑल्सो हाई एट 121.3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. So this is the temperature we required for autoclave. This is all about physical method of sterilization. Thanks for watching.